Stop scrolling. This AI can create full videos with coding automatically. No editing, no timeline, no software struggle. I used Claude Remotion to generate this entire video. What happened next is insane. If you are a creator, a developer, or curious about AI, this might completely change what you make content. You see how beautifully this is a AI video generated by Claude Code and Remotion. This is the final product. Just have a look how beautiful, how polished it is. So, what are the problem statement here we are trying to address? Video editing is slow, painful, honestly exhausting. So we spend hours in cutting the clips, adding subtitles, syncing audios, and still it doesn't feel right. But what if you could just describe your video in a plain English and this AI is built for you? That's right, you heard very rightly. This is exactly where this comes in. Today I am going to show you how Claude plus Remotion to create a programmatic video using AI. Remotion lets you build videos using code, and Claude acting like a AI developer and editor combinedly. Let us build something from scratch. So let's dive into. I'll show you my prompts and everything. Let us build. As you can see here, we have started installing the dependencies for the motion Remotion CLIs, and yeah, so it is checking now, and it is started installing all these dependencies, and let's see, we can try it out. Yeah, here we go. But if you are a tech guy, you can install yourself, or non-technical, you can straightforward ask, just install the dependencies. So Cloud Code will help you, cloud.ai will help you to install all the dependencies and allow you to verify. So here if you see, I have already Remotion. If you see here, Remotion based practices I have already installed, and AI stock investment presentation I have already created from my this is the data which is automatically generated, and from this report I am going to create a video presentation for my clients, or you can do it for your. And this is the prompt. If you can see, I have given use Remotion based practices and create a video presentation of AI stocks investment HTML. This is basically my input. So if you want, you can, for if you are making for your YouTube channel, at for your niche, you can give, like, give me a video, make a video with a health related, or you can fitness related, whatever you are trying. Suppose you are making a AI technology automation niche, what you can do, you can give, like, share me five top burning topics with some text and subtitles with a animated way. So it will give, and before it should give me the video, straight jump into the video, I have given here plan for it. So now if you see down, it has come up with a plan. So he is telling, I'll come up with the plan and searching for the patterns, and he's reading. And if you see here, he has come up with the details, and yeah, and he's reading through it, and that's a great part. Then installation part, he is telling all this, and you can see it is started with telling. But once he has come up with it, thing is, I don't want it, you see, estimate effort he has given 30 minutes, and he has given all this to start with immediately. But I don't want as a 1 hour or 2 hours. I want a 30 minutes to 1 minute presentation. So if you see, I just modified the prompt and then I have given go ahead and start with a 30 minutes, 30 seconds video. So now he started weaving it with it. Yeah. So here you can see we have already landed into the NPX studio, and it has given a very well uh, defined, you can see how well organized the studio is, and it is in locally. So you can edit it, you can do anything as you want. So I just ask for a simple video presentation for 30 to 1 minute he has done, and with gist of it. And if you see left side here, AI stock video 1920 into 10, and duration is 1.5. He has added zero point 0.5 more because it's a big slide, but usually you can do it in 2 to 3 slides and give a good header. And let's see how it is happening. Quickly I'm running the show. Let us hit and check. You can see how well it is managed. Beautiful, beautiful. And it has given a very good yeah, you can see even a pie chart also has given. So absolutely fantabulous, awesome. So you can see such a wonderful image, and just like a prototype you can share to your clients, your stakeholders, and you can easily get appreciated, and it will give you a full overview in a graphic way. So you can see how beautifully it is running on my top. So that's all set. Let's quickly update it and check if it is how it is happening. I'll navigate quickly to here. I don't have any noise cancellation stick. Let's see. That's okay. If we have something, meanwhile it is running uh, okay for me, because I'm quite satisfied with the way the video come up. It's running. Yes, please. So it is currently trying to remove this things from, and work in progress. As you can see now, final product has been reduced as we asked, and we have arrived a very beautiful, uh, professional, polished structure prototype presentation, video presentation for our report. So if you see here, the time duration has been reduced to 45 seconds, and we have removed the unnecessary spaces. And let us try one more time running it out. And yeah, so it has given full beautifully slide structure again, and revenue details, and shadows has been added and it is coming, and you can see, and the layouts are very professional and polished one. And yeah, absolutely fantabulous. So that's it for tonight. So I'm signing off. If you like it, feel free to share with your friends and give a thumbs up, and let me know if you want this video. You can find it in my Facebook page. I'll keep it in the link. And if you want to know the details of it, you can go through the video and get started. And stay tuned and stay amazed with this beautiful presentation. To you can present to your anyone of your colleagues, stakeholders, and you can take your imagination into one label and your reporting to one label. Do subscribe if you like it. Hit the bell button. Thank you. Sona signing off.